Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Claude AI account step by step. With a Claude account, you can chat with AI, write content, summarize documents, and much more. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to Claude AI. Then click Continue with Google or Continue with Email. If you choose email, enter your email address. Next, click Continue. Open your email inbox and click the sign-in link that Claude sends you. After signing in, enter your name if prompted. Next, verify your phone number by entering the verification code sent to your phone. Claude requires a phone number from a supported country or region to complete account creation, the Claude Help Center. Once your account is verified, you can start using Claude AI for free. If you want more features, click your profile. Then select Settings. Next, click Billing. Choose the Pro plan if you want to upgrade your account, the Claude Help Center. And that's it. You've successfully created a Claude AI account. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.